Hello guys, today again with Mahir Machinery along with engineer Hassan. Now this is power supply is damaged due to the welding plant. So now you already repaired the power supply. Let's see something what's new. Changing this is the surge capacitor along with fuses. So now next more Mr. Hassan will explain you.
Assalamu alaikum. Actually, this video is started for the UPS repair. In the UPS, the problem was the fuse. It was not big problem. It was the fuse, and the surge capacitors was burned out. So for now, I have checked without the surge capacitor. I replaced the fuse, and the UPS is okay. Inshallah, when I will bring the surge capacitor from shop, then we will add the surge capacitor to the circuit of the UPS, and we will switch on, and I will make that video separate. So why I'm adding this video, because when we started with the UPS and with this power supply, so instead the UPS is on one side, we repair this power supply. This power supply is 24 volt DC. What happened actually, because of the welding machine was in the same circuit, means one side this power supply is connected to 220 volt, and there was a welding plant in the factory. It was also working on 220. Because of that, some surge or some welding current passed through the circuit of this power supply. It was burned, so we replaced this bridge rectifier. Here it was burned. You can see on the circuits, this print was burned, and from this one it was melted, disconnected, and it was giving no continuity in the circuit. So we make this path from here over here. So let's now switch on the power supply and see if it's giving the DC voltages. Okay, now you can see 24 volts are coming from this output of the power supply, 24 volt power supply, and it is repaired. Okay, Allah Hafiz.